What is up, guys? Chris here, Bear Market Mining. Thanks again for stopping by. So today we're going to be talking about the KS0 Ultra and is it still profitable considering the enormous amount of hash rate that's come online over the last month. Around 5 weeks ago, I got my first Ultra in and started mining, and I did a video on that talking about the profitability at the time. So I want to compare that then to now and see how we're looking at the moment, and is it still a viable option as far as at-home miners go. Let's get into it. Let's start out by seeing what we were getting around 5 weeks ago. It was the 1st of July when I released that video, and that was around the first day or so that I came online. So you can see here, at the time we were earning about 12.5 Kaspa per day. With each KS0 Ultra. Now I do have 10 of them now at home, but just for the one, 12.5. So that was making $3.43 Australian dollars before electricity. Now at 100 watts and at 19 cents AUD or 13 cents USD, that works out to about $2.98 profit, which at the time was really, really good, which was blowing everything else in my mining farm out of the water, making more than my 8x30/70 rigs, much more as far as profitability is concerned. So it was doing really, really well. So now let's jump on over and see what it's currently making. So I decided to take one of those Ultras and take it off K1 pool and stick it on Hero Miners and just do a 24-hour yield and profitability test. Now I could run this longer, we could run it for a week, but I'm just trying to give you a snapshot as of right now. It's the 8th of the 8th here in Australia, so wherever you're from, figure that out, but pretty much an accurate timeline as far as what you can expect this to be making so far. Now, interestingly enough, it says the estimated earnings are at 4.6 Kaspa. That is for 410 gigahash, but our 24-hour average is 371, so slightly below. So the last 24 hours, the full 24-hour period that this has been running, 3.932 Kaspa. So a far cry from the 12.5 that we were earning initially. So let's jump on over to CoinGecko and see what that's worth today. So over here on CoinGecko, 3.9 Kaspa works out to just under $1 Australian dollar. So not a lot at the moment as far as the yield is concerned, a far cry from the 12.5 or so Kaspa we were mining beforehand. So my electricity rate is 19 cents, and at 100 watts, that works out to around 45 cents worth of electricity today. So this is making around 50 cents profit per day, which is a far cry from the $3 it was making when it first came out. But you know, there has been a slight change in price, obviously. So right now, and these are, as I said, all in Aussie dollars, so you can convert it any way around you want. We're sitting at around 24 cents AUD, and if we go back to the first, I think we had around 27, 28 cents, which works out to, a 13% decrease in profitability. So even if you added 13 cents to that 50 cents and say got another 5, you'd be at 55, 56, 57 cents. They're still well off from where it was. And that is obviously due to the huge elephant in the room, which is the hash rate. So currently sitting at a whopping 706 petahash. Now this is much higher than I thought anyone thought it was going to go this quick. Now I think, where are we? So we started at, so when I first got mine online, we were at 366 petahash, and we're currently at 706, so nearly double the hash rate in 5 weeks, which is astronomical. Not surprising, it has been the absolute buzz of the town, the crypto scene at the moment, and that works out to a lovely 92% increase in hash rate. So at the moment, we've got a 92% increase in hash rate and a 13% decrease in profitability. So that is why we're looking at a lot less profit at the moment. My electricity rate hasn't changed. It's purely down to the amount of miners that are coming online, and I shudder to think how many of these KS0 Ultras have come online, not to mention the KS5M, the KS5Ls, the other Bitmain units. So Still making money, which is good, and it's a lot better than anything else is doing in mining at the moment, which brings me over to, let's take a quick look at how the GPUs are doing in comparison. If you are still in the GPU or CPU mining world and you're not sure whether to get one of these, let's look at these numbers, and it might help you make your mind up which direction to go. So jumping on over to the land of GPUs, and it is a pretty sad state of affairs. As you can see, the 178X is making 4 cents, the 4070 Ti 3 cents, and then everything else is just doing absolutely nothing, losing a boatload of money per day. So at the moment, these KS0 Ultras are killing it, but as far as it comes to profitability and crypto mining in general. But interestingly enough, when I jumped on over here into CPUs, the profits are looking a lot better than they were a few days ago. VerisHash is obviously doing pretty good. Zephyr's back up, and Spectre as well is doing quite well. So CPU is still a reasonable option, you know, somewhat comparable as far as profitability. We got 48 cents profit here. That's closer to what, 60 or 70 cents AUD. So we've got something here doing better. But the EPYC 7742 is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. 7950X is worth about, what, 500 USD, I presume, something like that at the moment, unless they're dropping prices with the new 9000 series. But even still, if you jump on over to IceRiver and compare the price, 239 bucks, really, really cheap, a really good price for what they are. And for those of you who don't know, you can stick these on NiceHash, mine Bitcoin. You can also put them unmineable and mine the same algorithm, and get paid out in different coins. That will wrap it up, guys. Wanted to keep it pretty short and sweet, and let me know what you're thinking of doing down in the comments. Have you bought one of these? Are you thinking about buying some more? I'm thinking it could be a good option. I think about the money I've thrown into GPUs over the last few years with 1,000, 2,000 day ROIs over the last year or so when profits have been terrible. So why not maybe snag a few more of these before that hash rate goes even further through the roof? Mine Kaspa, mine anything you want with it. So let me know, guys. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. Join the Discord. The link is down in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Today's video is brought to you by BT Miners. Are you ready to elevate your crypto mining game? Then look no further than BT Miners, your premier destination for all things ASIC crypto mining. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just starting out, BT Miners has everything you need to succeed. Head on over to BT Miners and explore a wide range of top-of-the-line mining equipment. From all the leading manufacturers, BT Miners has it all. And the best part, they offer competitive prices and exceptional customer service to ensure you get the best value for your investment. Curious about how much you can earn? Check out their daily income page to see real-time income projections for various miners. This invaluable tool helps you make more informed decisions about your mining operations and maximize your profitability. Need a place to host your miners? BT Miners has you covered with their hosting services, offering both buy and host and hosting only services. Their state-of-the-art facilities provide secure, efficient, and affordable hosting solutions so you can focus on what matters most, mining and earning. At BT Miners, customer satisfaction is their top priority. They offer fast shipping, secure payment options, and a dedicated support team ready to assist you with any question or concern you may have. So what are you waiting for? Visit bt-miners.com today and discover the future of crypto ASIC mining. And for our viewers, we have a special offer. Use the promo code BEARMARKET at checkout for an exclusive discount on your purchase. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your mining to the next level with BT Miners. And check out the link in description for more contact information to discuss getting even better prices.